The basic steps to hemming your pants using Sashiko Embroidery. If you're like me and your pants are always too long, stop rolling them up and let me show you how to use Sashiko Embroidery, a reusable grid stencil, and some basic supplies to hem them. The first step is going to be determining how long you want your pants and to make a few marks so you know where you're working. Next, you're going to cut off the bottom seam of your jeans and cut away some of the bulky seams so when you fold your pants in, you are working with a nice flat surface. Fold your pants under and press it firmly with an iron so everything lays nice and flat and it's easy to embroider. Next step is with a contrasting thread to the thread you're going to use for your embroidery. Use a loose basting stitch and just stitch everything in place. That way we are not working with any pins. The next step is going to be transferring a 1/4 inch grid onto the hem of your jeans. You can choose whatever transfer method you prefer. I am using our reusable 3D printed grid stencil. You can also use our 1/4 inch stick and stitch pattern sheet, and you can just draw this yourself for free with a ruler. Using the grid, I am first drawing all the horizontal lines around the cuff of my pants. I like to use the top of the grid and first make a guideline so at least I'm just staying straight. Even then I got a little off, so I erased some of my lines, used a clear ruler. You can also use the top of the grid for this as well, and just connect all the lines, no problem. To draw the vertical lines, you will go back to your first tick marks that you made, rotate the grid 90 degrees, match them up, and start drawing all of your vertical lines, and you will have a 1/4 inch grid. Once your grid has been transferred, whether this is a pattern or drawn by hand, you will begin your embroidery pattern. I am choosing to do the mountain form pattern, which is basically one persimmon flower that radiates out. If you'll notice, there is an animation with the pattern. I did draw that the way you were supposed to stitch it, so you can pause or rewind and watch it again. You'll start with your 2 vertical parallel lines. Those will be the only parallel lines going vertically. Every other line from the left to the right will be staggered. So you embroider staggered rows all the way to the seam of your pants until all the vertical lines in one section are embroidered. Next, you'll embroider all of the horizontal rows in staggered lines until you get to the middle of your work. Once you get to the area where the middle is, that will close the middle box, you will embroider a row of parallel lines. So there will be a cross of parallel lines that intersect and make that middle box. From there, going up and down, they're staggered lines. From the parallel vertical rows going left to right, they are staggered lines. And that really is it. It's a pretty simple pattern to embroider. Like I said, working from one section at a time, it made it pretty fail-proof. My first pant leg, it is a little off, as you can see, but honestly, who cares? I think this is a really great way to just add some character to your pants and hem them. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you watching. Let me know if you'll try this, and thank you for letting me show you